So for this week's hot new product, we've been sent something by ISC Suspension, and I don't actually know what it is, so let's get started. Okay, knife please. Take two, knife please. Thanks guys. Right off the bat, I can see 4 coilover protection bags, adjustable tow arms for a Subaru of some sort, adjustable control arms for a Subaru of some sort. So, without further ado, I'm gonna get into these. So I guess I'll start with the small stuff. Ooh, fresh seal and everything. First of all, the boxing, super classy, very cool branding. Ooh. Not to mention the products look pretty neat. Very gold, in line with ISC's branding. Some cool laser etch stuff. Very pretty looking tow arms. I like the gold. Also, got some control arms here. Smells like fresh product in here. It's really nice. Cool ISC decal. Thanks dudes. Some instructions as well as some flyers about their other cool products if you want to check them out at ISC Suspension. Oh damn. Okay. And here we have another really cool gold set of control arms, and these look pretty beefy. The box is pretty heavy too.
I love you.
So right off the bat, I can tell you that these are very well made, just judging by the quality of the control arm here. So once we got it all laid out, it looks pretty cool. First of all, what we have here is rear suspension for a bunch of Subaru models. This is actually pretty modular, and it has a wide range of models that it fits. So the control arms or camber arms here, those will fit a 2008 to 2014 WRX STI, an 09 and up Forester, a 2013 and up FRS and BRZ, 2015 and up WRX and STI, so all the way from 2008 to 2015 and up WRX STI, and the 2010 to 2013 Legacy. They've included everything you need, so you don't need to go crazy finding other parts for installation. It's got all the hardware, and it's even got some super lube to keep your pillow ball mounts lubricated and functioning long into their life. And then on this side, where we have the adjustable tow arms, those fit something else. They fit BRZ and FRS for all years, a 2008 to 2020 WRX and STI, the 2014 to 2018 Forester, the 2009 to 2013 Forester, so Foresters all the way from 2009 to 2018, and the 2010 to 2013 Legacy. So one thing they were also nice enough to include was a set of 4, I assume 2 for the front and 2 for the rear. These are their neoprene coilover covers. And basically this is like a protective bag for your coilovers, especially for you Subaru guys that are driving your stuff year round and don't put your stuff away if you live in the northern climates. You know, the Subarus are great in the winter, but your coilovers aren't. So this is an excellent way to protect them. It wraps around your coilover and seals up, and then they've included some extra long zip ties so you can really notch off the top and the bottom, protect your coilovers from the elements. Very cool product, great idea. All right, so if you are lowering your Subaru, both of these are gonna work in tandem with each other. Not only will this let you control your camber settings, but when you've lowered it and you've changed all your suspension geometry, both of these are gonna help get your stuff back to proper geometry. So when your ball joints are stressed like this will help level everything out so you're not stressing the components of your suspension. These are the V3 control arms, so they are the newest kind. They are a pound lighter, and their construction is CNC milled 6061 aluminum. So they're tough and lightweight, in addition to obviously looking very cool. Another good thing for track drivers or guys who use their car a lot that comes with the tow arm is that all of these come standard with eccentric lockout hardware. So these and the washers are gonna eliminate the eccentric bolts under your car, which is how factory adjustments are made to your alignment, and that stops anything from rattling loose and changing your alignment over time. So definitely a solid upgrade for heavy use, track use, and anybody who drives their car a lot. So if you are looking for these products or any similar products from ISC for a variety of platforms and all sorts of cool suspension stuff, head over to iscsuspension-na.com and you can check these out for yourself. Right.